What is going on, fellas? Well, you guys been asking me for an update on the trailer floor after we put that stuff on there. Here you guys go. We've been doing some battery loads, and the battery loads, these bozos drag the pallets out of the trailer. But overall, I mean, yeah, they scratched the crap out of it and dig into it. Like right there, they dug into it. But overall, it looks pretty good. Oh man, look at that. They're just digging into the wood with dragging the pallets. But yeah, the floor looks good, if you ask me. What do you think, honey?
It's good.
A week. We've been running this trailer for a week, doing these battery loads. They've been pretty heavy, and I mean, these scratches right here, it's not the trailer's fault. It's just these bozos that like to drag the pallets out instead of putting a forklift to them. But yeah, it looks good. It looks real good. Let me show you guys another trailer that we use for the same kind of loads. They're also battery loads. Let's see how bad the floor of this one is. Yeah, it's about the same, because these idiots, they drag the battery loads. This one's a newer trailer, and it's a roll-up door. But yeah, I guess it's regular wear and tear of these idiots dragging the battery loads. So there you guys have it. Do I approve of that stuff I put on the floor? I forgot the name of it, but once I edit the video, I'll give you guys the name. But yeah, I approve of it. It's good. It's solid. When I'm walking on it, it's not cracking like that trailer is. So yeah, it's pretty good. It is pretty good. I would say if you want to invest in your trailer, I say put some of that stuff on it, on the floor, because it's worth it, fellas. All right. Well, if you're out there driving, drive safe, be safe. And we will see you guys on our next video.